Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back and I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video I share with you this delicious yet perfect Ghana party jollof rice recipe. If you're looking for the simplest but yet delicious Ghana jollof recipe, then all you have to do is to watch this video to the end and trust the process. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Sophia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. Alright, so for the base, I'll be blending some vegetables and these are going to be my vegetables. I'll be blending some green scotch bonnet peppers, beetroot, onions, some natural spices in the middle over there, garlic, ginger, green pepper, and some scallions. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. So now let's blend everything until it's nice and very smooth. I'm not going to be using water to blend this. I will use cooking oil to blend this because I want the cooking process to be very easy. You can choose to go in with some water, but for today's recipe it's extraordinary. In fact, I really want the jollof stew to really come out very dark, so the choice of vegetables is also important right here. The green vegetables are always the best to use if you don't have much time to fry your stew for a very long time. So after blending everything, I will transfer it into my cooking pot, and as you can see, it's looking all dark already. That's because of the green vegetables. Okay, so I rinsed the blender with a little bit of water as well, because trust me, we are not wasting anything out here. Okay, let's give everything a very good stir. We will cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing, and after about 10 minutes we will be back to check on it. Alright, so after extra 10 minutes we are back, and that is how it looks like. It looks super good. I love the aroma that is coming out from this. Alright, so now let's cover this and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes on a low medium heat, and we will be back to check on it again. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the base, and at this point it's been cooking for about 20 minutes now. I'll go in with my homemade tolo beef, which I already have the recipe for this on the channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out, and trust me, it's going to add good flavors to the base as well. I'll cover it and allow it to do its own thing on low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and we are back to check on it. At this point the base is looking good already. For today's recipe I'll be using my pomo tomato mix. You can use any type of tomato paste that you want. It totally depends on you. Okay, so now let's stir everything together beautifully, and whilst that is done we will proceed to the next stage. Alright, so at this point, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so as you can see, the stew is looking all good already. I'll cover this and allow it to cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. remember to keep an eye on it because we don't want the stew to get burnt at all. Okay, so now let's cover it and let it do its own thing for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we are back. It looks all good and just perfect. I love the aroma that is really coming out from it. If you're looking for the perfect jollof stew to make to surprise your guests, trust me, this recipe is really a top notch. You will love this, so just trust the process, I tell you. After frying the stew for about 40 minutes, this is what we have. It looks super good and well fried. Next, I'll be going in with my mackerel in tomato sauce. Abi, you know that. Okay, if you don't like it, you can also omit it totally, okay? But trust me, it's going to add good flavors to your jollof stew. And don't forget as well to go in with some nutmeg and also some jollof stew seasoning powder to enhance the taste of this stew very well. And of course, we'll be going in with some salt to taste as well. The salt and everything is totally to your taste, okay? Give everything a very good stir, and we will cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for extra 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, the stew should be ready. Alright, so welcome back from the break. After extra 10 minutes, this is what we have. The stew looks super good, very thick. I love the color, and the aroma in here is so amazing. This can also serve as all-purpose stew. It can be enjoyed with anything that you want to, okay? Alright, so moving forward, I'm going to set some of the stew aside because I'm not going to be using all of this stew. And once that is done, I'll go in with my perfumed rice. You can use any local rice or any perfumed rice of your choice, okay? It totally depends on you. I will give everything a very good stir, and I also realized the stew wasn't enough, so I added in a little bit of the stew. I'll go in with some water, just a little bit of water, and you need to also taste for salt as well. And one more thing, if you really want to get a very delicious jollof rice, then you also need to be very generous with the stew, because with less stew, the less taste you're going to get. And with a lot of stew, trust me, you're going to get a very nice taste of jollof that you're looking for. So kindly note it. I'll go in with a little bit of salt because the salt wasn't enough, and as you can see, the rice looks super good. A lot of stew is in there, and that's just perfect. I'll also cover it on low medium heat for it to do its own thing, and I'll be back to check on it. Kindly cook this on low medium heat. Jollof doesn't need a lot of water and heat as well, so kindly note it, okay? Now let's give this a very good stir. We will cover it and we will be back to check on it. Now whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank my lovely subscribers for this amazing journey. We are at 50k subscribers, and truly I am very grateful. Thank you so much for the amazing support. Alright, so that's all just by the way. We are back, and as you can see, the jollof rice is coming together very beautifully, and at this point it smells amazingly. I just hope you guys are here, trust me. Now the rice is almost done. We also go in with some salted butter to give the jollof rice extra taste. Now all that is left is to cover this for the last time for about 15 minutes on a low medium heat, and by the time we are back, the jollof rice should be ready. Alright, so fam, also let me know what you think about this perfect Ghana jollof rice recipe. It turned out so good and I hope you're going to try. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and see you in my next upload.